What is alopecia areata? Alopecia areata is a condition where a patch of hair is lost from some or all parts of the body. The balding patterns linked with this disorder are generally small, round hairless patches on the scalp. The hair loss might also happen as an overall thinning instead of visible bald patches. In severe cases, an individual might lose all the hair on her or his scalp and body. Balding can go and come. You may experience loss of hair in one area, and then hair begins to increase again, only to start losing hair in another area. What triggers alopecia areata? Stress and anxiety are the primary cause. This stress and anxiety trigger an autoimmune response in the body, which means that the body's defense system is wrongly stimulated and it starts attacking its hair follicles, leading to damage of hairs and hairs falling out. However, the autoimmune disease can be completely reversed with homeopathic treatment for alopecia areata. Signs and symptoms of alopecia areata. A common symptom of alopecia areata is the loss of hair from some parts of the scalp. These patches are usually the size of a coin and are often noticed accidentally. Once you started noticing the first patch, within a few days, more patches start appearing on the scalp. And the main cause of the appearance of patches of alopecia areata is some mental stress. Studies have shown that stress and anxiety cause significant loss of hair. What are the types of alopecia? The type of alopecia depends upon the area of the body involved in the disease process and also the cause of the disease. Alopecia areata. One of the most common types of hair loss occurs in small dime-sized bald patches on the scalp. Alopecia Totalis. It is complete baldness or the loss of hair on the entire scalp. Alopecia Universalis. It is rapid hair loss over the entire body, including the scalp, eyebrows, eyelashes, and other areas of the body. Androgenic Alopecia. This is a genetic hair loss, which is also known as male pattern balding. Traction Alopecia. It is caused by damage to the hair follicles and dermal papilla due to the constant stretching of hair over a long period. Is alopecia areata permanent? In alopecia areata, usually, you don't see permanent damage to the hair follicles. It is a non-scarring disease. Hence, the disease is not permanent, and with proper homeopathic medicines for the treatment of alopecia, it is completely reversible. HOMOEOCARE'S has shown a complete reversal of alopecia by giving the best homeopathic medicines for alopecia. Conventional treatment for alopecia areata. The administration of external applications like so-called medicated oils is claimed to strengthen the roots of the hair. However, anything externally done cannot go deep into the roots to strengthen it. Only something given orally will strengthen the roots of the hair and consequently decrease hair loss. In severe cases, there is an option for a hair transplant. Although this option is not economical, some young who suffer from alopecia opt for it. However, the aim always has to look for a permanent solution to alopecia by searching for the best homeopathic clinic near you and seeking professional advice. Top 10 homeopathic medicines for alopecia. There are numerous homeopathic medicines for alopecia. However, these are the top 10 homeopathic medicines for alopecia. Alumen, Natrum, selenium, ustilago, vinca minor, sepia, phosphorus, sulfur, lycopodium, lachesis. These are just a few indicated homeopathic medicines for alopecia. A piece of advice from a professional homeopathic doctor near you is always recommended to achieve the best homeopathic treatment for alopecia. HOMOEOCARE'S approach. We understand the medical and aesthetic significance of hair and are concerned about its loss. Therefore, our approach is to study the root cause of alopecia so as to decrease the rate of hair fall and enable an individual to get back the lost hair. We at HOMOEOCARE, the best homeopathic clinic near you, take a detailed history to understand the stresses, if any, which have caused the weakening of the roots of hair resulting in their loss. In such cases, we give medicines to reduce the impact of stress on one's body and strengthen the roots of the hair. We advocate only plain coconut oil to be applied on the hair and discourage the use of external lotions or medicines to prevent the shedding of hair. We help individuals in building their immune systems in such a manner that it hastens the recovery of damaged hair follicles and also assures healthy growth of the new hair. One can imagine the confidence and happiness one gets to see the lost hair back on one's scalp. Imagine the joy of a bald lady who has got her hair back, and think of a person who could revive his eyebrows or eyelashes. They would love to look into the mirror and admire themselves. At HOMOEOCARE, we try to bring back the joy of having lustrous hair or dazzling eyelashes. HOMOEOCARE'S success. Mrs. AR, 41-year-old female staying in Malad, a western suburb of Mumbai, came in July 2004 to the homeopathic clinic at Goregaon. She complained of a loss of hair for the past 3 months and she opted for homeopathic treatment for alopecia areata. Within 8 months of homeopathic treatment, her patches were restored permanently and she is now completely normal. If you suffer from any kind of alopecia, we are here to help you prevent the shedding of your hair and regain your lost confidence. No more hiding your bald spots. Imbibe the wonder of HOMOEOCARE into your lives and see the difference it brings. Here are few cases of alopecia treated at HOMOEOCARE clinic.